In regards to Toran College, my name is Miguel Jair Bayona Carrillo, and below I show you the development of step 5 speaking skills. I choose for this activity the daily activity of making breakfast. I'll show you how to make a fried egg. Recipe for a fried egg. To explain the recipe for a fried egg in English, we can incorporate the following grammatical topics: simple and continuous forms of verbs using different verb tenses. Ingredients: an egg, salt and pepper to taste, cooking oil or butter. Instructions: Step 1. Heat a non-stick or frying pan over medium heat. Add a small amount of cooking oil or butter to the pan and let it melt. In the case of butter, crack the egg into a small bowl, making sure not to break the yolk. Step 4. Carefully slide the egg from the bowl into the frying pan. Sprinkle salt and pepper over the egg. Cook the egg for about 2 to 3 minutes until the white is set but the yolk is still running. Step 7. If you prefer a fully cooked yolk, cover the pan with a lid and cook for an additional 1 to 2 minutes. Step 8. Use a spatula to carefully the fried egg from the pan and transfer it to a plate. In this recipe, we use the verb crack following the verb plus ing form, cracking, to describe the action of breaking the egg into a bowl. We also use the verb left following the base form of the verb let it melt to describe the action of following the cooking oil or butter to melt in the pan. When describing the desired level of doneness for the fried egg, we can make comparisons using as, and not as. For example, we can say cook the egg until the white is set, but the yolk is still running, to indicate that we want the white to be fully cooked but the yolk to remain slightly liquid. Alternatively, if someone prefers a fully cooked yolk, they can cook the egg for an additional 1 to 2 minutes as mentioned in step 7. Remember to adjust the cooking time based on personal preference and the desired level of doneness. Enjoy your fried egg. That will be all I have to explain in this video. I thank everyone for their keen attention.